crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the brand new May 2025 main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. These kits are packed with scrapbooking supplies. So here's a look at the kit and everything that you receive in it. I love that every month we receive a pre-cut cut file. So this one says, "Are we there yet?" So that's going to be so fun to make on a layout. Then we also receive a sketch, and so it's printed, it comes in your kit, it's wonderful to use. And on the 15th of the month, My Creative Scrapbook shows what all the designers made using the sketch. Now this month, the kit is filled with Born to Travel from Echo Park. So we have these stickers here. These are chipboard words and phrases. You can see that they are perfect for all your travel adventures. So we have explore, weekend adventure, destination unknown, I want to travel to far off places, Rome, just perfect. We also received 2 tags this month, and they've got the reinforced hole already there. We received a sheet of alphabet stickers, so those will be nice to use. And then here's a look at the sticker sheet. Like I said, this is Born to Travel from Echo Park. We've got vacay, touristing, pack a bag. You can see there's a bicycle, there's airplane, there's a globe. So many cute stickers here, wordy bits. You can also use the little icons, little tickets, arrows. I love it. And then here's a look at the paper. Oh, I can't wait to use this one. My boyfriend Dale and I went on a hot air balloon. What was it called? Like a hot air balloon glow. So that one's really nice. And then this one has cameras on the back in this beautiful orange color. And then the next sheet that we received, these are some cut aparts. So we've got Wanderlust, Explore, We Were Here. There's also a couple little journaling opportunities. There's one with florals over here on the right, and then at the bottom we've got one with a globe. So these we could use on our layouts here. And then on the back side, we've got all these, are they called geotags? I want to say that's what they're called. I can't think of what the name of that is. Oh, this is such a fun paper with the blue sky background with the airplanes. And then we've got a yellow plaid on the back. And then this is fun. This is a red, white, and blue border around the page. So you could use that all by itself. And then on the back, we've got this map in this light blue color. So pretty. I like both sides of this one. This one's going to be hard to decide which to use. Then we've got, it looks like here, a 3x4 cut apart sheet. There's several different journaling opportunities, and then there's some phrases. I like this one, that travel log. We're off to great places. We've got Rome if you want to. There's a little hot air balloon. You could even fussy cut some of these icons out if you don't want to use them on the cut apart card. So these are really nice. And then on the back, you've got this like lime green colored pattern. Then we've got a plaid here in all the colors that are featured in the collection. And then we've got some hearts. This is really cool. Lots of license plates on this one in all the colors. And then on the back, we've got those, I think they're geotags. I'm going to say geotags in green. We've got a 4x6 sheet of cut aparts. And we've also got a couple journaling opportunities on this one. Again, you could fussy cut the icons or use them just as they are. Pick any direction and let's go. Adventure awaits. These are cute. And then we've got a nice striped pattern on the back. On this page, we've got lots of different suitcases, so that's neat. And then on the back, we've got this blue polka dots. And then we've got another cut apart card, and there's more journaling opportunities here. So we've got Born to Travel. Travel is the only thing you can buy that makes you richer. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. Wake Me When We Land. So these are really cute. Very usable cards here. And then let's see, on the back, Let me flip it over here. We've got polka dots in all the colors in the collection. We've got some scooters here, so that's fun in the bright colors. And then we've got, I think these look like globes or like the world in that blue. I like that. We've got lots of different travel themed icons on this paper, and then arrows on this sheet. Now let me dive into all the ephemera. So we get the titles and phrases and also the frames and tags. So I will quickly flip through these so that you can see all the different icons that come included. So frames and tags. So we've got lots of different embellishments that we can use. Now while I'm flipping through here, I do want to mention that My Creative Scrapbook, I will leave a link down below in the description box how you can receive your kit. You would just sign up. Now this is the main kit, but My Creative Scrapbook has several other kits that you might also enjoy. They have the limited edition kit, which is called the LE kit for short, and it's more of like a vintagey feel, I want to say. I feel like the main kit to me is more of like the newer, they're all new collections, but this has just like that modern vibe to it, in my opinion, and then the limited edition kit is more of like the vintage feel. So there is, and then they have album kits and then a creative kit. So there's definitely a scrapbooking kit that will fit your needs. Now, if you can't decide on one, you can subscribe to multiple kits. So these kits are released and shipped on the 5th of the month. And there is lots of inspiration on the My Creative Scrapbook website. The designers all create at least 4 layouts a month, so you will receive lots of inspiration to use your kits. So I'm going to flip through this last one here, the titles and the phrases. You can see I had the first one I pulled out were the flags that spell out epic. I love that. Trip of a lifetime, moments to remember, born to travel. These are really, really cute. And these are perfect coming up for all of your summer vacations that you might take. So be sure to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram and also here on YouTube, where I'll be creating 4 layouts this month using this kit with lots and lots of product left over to create even more. If you've liked this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks for watching.